Good afternoon, students. Today we have discussed about the what is cell organelles. So endomembrane system. The system of membrane is eukaryotic. The cell comprising the plasma membrane. What will be compromising the plasma membrane? So similar to the cell membrane which occur within the cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm only it will happen. The endomembrane system is evolved from the inward growth of cell membrane in the ancestor of the first eukaryotics. Next, the largest of the internal membrane is called the endoplasmic reticulum. The name endoplasmic reticulum was given by the K.R. Porter. It consists of double membrane. Morphologically, the structure of endoplasmic reticulum consists of cisternae, vesicle and tubules. What do you mean by cisternae? It is a long, broad, flat, sac-like structure. So, it between the cisternae is filled with the fluid. The vesicles are oval membrane, bound vacuolar structure. And the irregular shape of the tubules is a branched and smooth wall in the having a places also. Endoplasmic reticulums are associated with the nuclear membrane. So mechanical support to the all the cells. Chemical environment also it will be enabled. So it was the endoplasmic reticulum having the protein. What we are having? Protein. Protein is a building block. So endoplasmic give the energy. So it's a very important part of the cell is endoplasmic reticulum. So there are rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth reticulum. There are two parts is there. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the involved in the protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic is only the lipid synthesis. Okay, protein and lipids both is responsible for the endoplasmic reticulum. So it is the site of the lipid synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains enzyme that deoxying lipid soluble drugs, certain chemicals and their harmful compounds. Golgi body. Camellia Golgi visualized a net-like reticulum. So they were named the Golgi in plant cells. They are found smaller vesicle termed as dictyosome. So Golgi apparatus is a sac and a cell membrane enclose the sacs. So cisternae form a network of tubules and vesicles. So 30 to 50 nanometer in the dimensions. So it is a cristae. It is formed in the full of the cells. The Golgi vesicles are large, spherical, filled with the granular and amorphous substance. Okay, the Golgi apparatus are compartments serious steps lead the protection of the function protein. Small pieces of rough endoplasmic reticulum are pinched off at the end of the cells. Okay, so it fused together to make a Golgi body and Golgi modification. So function is very important. It's a glycoprotein and glycolipids are produced. Already we told that rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic, rough is produced by the protein and smooth is produced by the synthesis or produced by the lipids. Okay, so transporting the lipids also, formation of the lysosome, digestive system, production of digestive enzyme and a cell plate and cell wall formation, secretion of the carbohydrate for the formation of the plant cells, and thymos and granules are synthesized. Next important one, mitochondria is observed by the Golgi, Altman in the bioplasm in the year of 1894. Later Benta in 97-98 named as the mitochondria. Who gave the name in asking mean they can say the later Benta. Who was first observed means Golgi in the year 1880. Don't forget that. They are ovoid, rounded and rod shape and pleomorphic structure. Mitochondria consist of double membrane, the outer and inner membrane. So its outer membrane is very smooth and highly permeable to the small molecule, and it contains protein called porins, which form channel that allow the free diffusion of the molecule smaller than about 1000 Daltons. And the inner membrane divide the mitochondria into two compartments. So between the two membrane and the inner chamber filled with the matrix. The inner membrane is a convoluted called cristae. Cristae contain most of the enzyme for electron transfer system. So chamber mitochondria is filled with the proteinase material called mitochondrial matrix. The inner membrane consists of stacked particles called elementary particles. So see, this is the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. So inner membrane, outer membrane, and inside matrix is there. RNA, DNA is present in there. So mitochondria contains 73% of protein and 30% of the lipid and 5 to 7 RNA, DNA. Mitochondria called powerhouse of the cell. It's small children. You are yourself. We are studying that. So all the enzymes the Krebs are found in the matrix except succinated dehydrogenate mitochondria consists of circular DNA and 70S ribosomes. The model, because the presence of the semi-atomous oracle, unique characteristics of the mitochondria is that so they inherited from the female parent only. Inherited the female parent only. Mitochondria DNA comprise used to trace human origin. Mitochondria DNA used to track the recent evolutionary time. Okay, so next chapter it is a DNA faster time than the DNA nucleus. Next chapter we will see in the plastic in the next class. Thank you, students.